Claudette Colvin was arrested in 1955 for not giving up her seat on the bus for a white passenger. Most people believe that Rosa Parks was the first one to do this. However, Colvin was the first one by about 9 months. She was 15 years old. She was raised in a poor black community in Alabama. During her school, she learned about the segregation laws and how black people are actually treated, and she realized that it's not fair and she wanted to make changes. So in 1955, she had enough and she would not give up her seat for the white passenger after the bus driver insisted on her getting up. She was one of 4 women to file a lawsuit to the NAACP. The other 3 women and her fought the segregation laws and wanted them to be changed. Rosa Parks was a secretary at NAACP when Colvin first contacted them. Mixed reports said that Rosa Parks did answer the phone when Colvin called. However, I was not able to find a definite yes or a definite no. The NAACP wanted to use Colvin's story. However, they did not think that she was responsible, as she was only 15, so she was young, and a little bit after this incident she became pregnant. However, Colvin thinks that the real reason was due to the darkness of her skin. Rosa Parks' skin was a little bit lighter, and Colvin believed that this may have influenced the NAACP more than her age and her becoming pregnant. The NAACP used Rosa Parks' story because she felt that Rosa Parks was better suited and more responsible. Rosa Parks was an activist for many years before her incident happened on the bus. I believe she was 42, and she worked with the NAACP as a secretary, and she knew what was going on a lot more than Colvin, they believe, and she just had a better understanding, and they felt that she was a lot more responsible than Colvin. And I don't think that Rosa Parks should be given any less credit than she already has been for the last however many years. I do think that Colvin should be recognized a lot more than she is. I asked a lot of people if they knew who she was, and no one knew who she was or believed me that she was actually the first one to not give up her seat for a white passenger on the bus. So I definitely think Colvin should get more credit, and people should read up on her and learn about her and understand how this affected the Rosa Parks story as well. I don't think that Rosa Parks should not be given the credit that she has been given, or lose any credit, because she did do a lot more than Colvin.